Finding the right large diaphragm condenser microphone can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Audio-Technica AT2020. The Audio-Technica AT2020 is a cardioid condenser microphone priced at around $119. What caught my attention is its reputation as the price-performance standard in studio microphones. If you want a reliable mic for your home studio, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The AT2020 features a custom-engineered low-mass diaphragm that provides an extended frequency response and superior transient response. This means you'll capture vocals and instruments accurately without losing any detail. Plus, its cardioid polar pattern effectively reduces background noise from the sides and rear, allowing your sound source to shine through. Many buyers rave about its high SPL handling and wide dynamic range, making it versatile for everything from singing to streaming. Now, some people complained about the lack of an included stand or accessories. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your setup, you likely have or can easily purchase a stand and pop filter, so it's not a deal breaker. Product number 2, MAOUNO AU0A4. Next up is the MAOUNO AU0A4, a USB condenser microphone that comes in at just $68.99. What caught my eye here is how it's designed specifically for ease of use, perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a plug-and-play solution without breaking the bank, this is a great option. This mic boasts a 192 kHz, 24-bit professional sound chipset, which means you're getting high-resolution audio that's clear and crisp, vital for podcasts, gaming, or YouTube videos. The cardioid polar pattern ensures that only the sound in front of it is captured, reducing unwanted noise. Plus, it comes with a sturdy boom arm set that includes a pop filter and windscreen, which is fantastic for keeping your audio clean. Over 1,000 units have been sold in the past month, and users appreciate its quality for the price. However, some users did mention that it might pick up a bit of background noise in louder environments. Here's the thing though, if you're in a quiet space, this shouldn't be a problem at all, and its ease of setup really makes it a winner. Product number 3, Rode NT1 5th Gen. Now, let's talk about the Rode NT1 5th Gen, which is priced at $210. This microphone really caught my attention with its cutting-edge features that combine the classic sound signature of the original NT1 with modern technology. If you're serious about your audio quality, this is definitely worth considering. The NT1 offers ultra-low self-noise and high SPL handling, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, from vocals to instruments. With both XLR and USB outputs, you can connect it to an audio interface or plug it directly into your computer, giving you flexibility in your recording setup. Plus, it includes a shock mount and pop filter, which are essential for reducing unwanted noise. Users rave about its durability and sleek design, making it an excellent long-term investment. Some users did mention that it might require a bit of tweaking to get it sounding just right. Here's the thing, once you dial it in, the sound quality will blow you away, so the learning curve is worth it. This is ideal for serious musicians or podcasters who want top-notch sound quality. Skip this if you're in need of a budget option or prefer something more straightforward. It's a premium choice that justifies its price and performance. Now, if the price of the NT1 made you hesitate, the next microphone on our list is a bit more affordable, but still delivers impressive quality. Product number 4, Rode NT1 Signature Series. The Rode NT1 Signature Series comes in at $153, and it's hard not to be impressed by the features it offers. This microphone is designed for music production, vocal recording, and streaming. If you want a mic that offers professional quality without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. It features a true condenser capsule with an exceptionally low noise level of just 4 dBA, which means you're capturing the cleanest sound possible. The included shock mount and pop filter are fantastic additions for recording, ensuring that you minimize noise interference. With a frequency response that's smooth and balanced, this mic works beautifully whether you're singing or recording instruments. Many users have noted its high sensitivity and ability to handle high SPLs, making it versatile for various recording settings. However, some users found it a bit too sensitive for certain environments. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful of your recording space and can manage your setup, this mic will perform exceptionally well. This is perfect if you're looking to enhance your vocal recordings or streaming setup. Skip it if you're in a very loud environment or need something less sensitive. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're still looking for an affordable option, this last microphone might just fit the bill while still delivering great sound. Product number 5, AKG Pro Audio P120. Lastly, we have the AKG Pro Audio P120, priced at $111.24. This microphone stands out for its versatility and affordability. If you're looking for a reliable microphone that won't empty your wallet, this is definitely worth checking out. The P120 features a low-mass diaphragm that delivers clear sound and accurate sonic detail, which is essential for capturing both vocals and instruments. It can handle high sound pressure levels up to 150 decibels, so whether you're belting out a tune or recording a loud guitar, it won't distort. The cardioid polar pattern helps isolate your sound source, making it ideal for home studios. With its durable build quality, many users appreciate that it's designed to last. Some users have reported that it can sound a bit colored compared to other more expensive mics. Here's the thing though, for the price, the quality you get is impressive, and it's a great starting point for anyone getting into recording. This is perfect for beginners or anyone setting up a project studio. Skip this if you're looking for top-tier studio quality or if you need a microphone that excels in very high-end applications. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice too much quality. Now let's wrap this up and see how all these microphones stack up against each other. So we've covered some fantastic microphones today. The Audio-Technica AT2020 is great for home studios, while the Mayono AU-A04 shines for beginners needing simplicity. The Rode NT1 5th Gen offers top-tier sound for serious users, and the Rode NT1 Signature series is excellent for those wanting professional quality without a huge price tag. Lastly, the AKG P120 is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Rode NT1 5th Gen because it blends quality, versatility, and modern tech perfectly. Avoid the Mayono if you need XLR options, as it's strictly USB. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.